Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the demonstration of StockWise. It is a stock prediction application designed to assist you in making informed investment decisions. This application leverages machine learning models to analyze historical stock data and provide predictions for future price movements. The key features of this application includes a simple and intuitive interface allowing you to easily enter stock codes and retrieve predictions. The application automatically downloads and prepares historical stock data from Yahoo Finance, ensuring you have the latest information for analysis. It employs two machine learning models, random forest and LSTM neural networks. This provides a broader perspective on potential price movements. The application displays the prediction for the next day using random forest and the predicted closing price for the last 5 entries using LSTM. For the random forest model, you will see the accuracy percentage giving you an idea about the model's confidence in its predictions. The LSTM model generates a graph that compares the actual closing price with the predicted closing price, offering a visual representation of the model's performance. Now let's walk through the demonstration live. So as I'm using the temp code runner, I can just run the file using this run button. Here you can see I got the interface that's designed using PyQt. Here I can just simply enter the stock code for whatever stock I wanna get the data about. So let us say we wanna retrieve the data about Apple. So we will enter AAPL, that's the stock code for Apple, and hit predict. Now as you can see, it downloaded the data, stock data for Apple, and it gave me the random forest predictions for it. And the accuracy of this prediction is 72%. Like, it is 72% confident in what it just told me, that yeah, the data that is going up and down, like the stock movement, the predicted movement will go in which direction. And now it is working with the LSTM model to give us a virtual representation of the actual versus the predicted closing price that this model is evaluating. So we have to wait for it. It have to go through 80 epochs to give us the result. So this is why we are using random forest to get an early result, because users cannot have that much time on their hands. So you do not have to do anything. It just downloads the data on its own, and it pre-processes it as it's a part of our code, and then it just gives us the prediction. If you wanna know how to do this, you can click the link in the description for my GitHub profile where it is uploaded on how you can do this, and you can also ask me for a tutorial. I will make a dedicated tutorial for this if you want me to, and that will help you out, I hope. And here it is, and I think I clicked on the predict button twice, so it is working on it once again. So here's the figure, the visual representation for it. You can see it here. So here you can analyze the figure on your own, and this will clear a lot of things for you. So, and at last I want to finish my demonstration with a disclaimer that the application's predictions are based on historical data and machine learning models. This should not be considered as an absolute guarantee of future performance. It is crucial to conduct your own research and consider various factors before making any investment decisions. Feel free to ask any questions you might have in the comment section, and share it with your friends who want to build similar kind of models. Thank you, and have a nice day ahead.